Welcome back to the Stack Crypto channel. It's your boy Brazen.
And your boy Double O.
All right. In today's crypto news, is Bitcoin ready for October or Moon November? Right.
Well, October is over now.
October,
so
yeah, October is
what's
over.
gonna happen in Moon November?
Moon November, everything is going to the moon, man. That's why it's gonna happen. And can Cardano compete with Ethereum? And last but not least, we're going to Burger King. Let's get in there. Exactly. So
Going to see the king.
hey man, the Burger King, that's the beast, man. The commercials are always very interesting. But anyway, let's get in there. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. We really appreciate all your support. And we hope to keep bringing some value to the crypto community as we keep doing this Stack Crypto channel. So in today's news, is Bitcoin ready for 80% gains in Moon November after smashing October? So the article says, October was a month of sweet victories, some historical announcements, and a well-carved all-time high for Bitcoin. Since the month of October has historically been a bullish one for the king coin, rather, the all-time highs didn't come as much of a surprise. Now, the crucial question remains whether Bitcoin would see a similar bright fate in November too. What do you think is going to happen, Kenny?
Hey, it's not about what I think, like I always say, right? It's what are the charts saying?
What are the
and
charts
I think the
saying?
article actually went straight to the chart. So we can just go there real quick and show people what the historical factors are.
Absolutely. Let's check that out. So this was 2017, right? And one thing in technical analysis that we always point out is that you want to look to the left, right? And the reason you look to the left is because things that have happened in the past tend to repeat themselves again in the future. This is how we're able to find support and resistance levels, because these are things that have happened. These are key points that the asset has been at previously and either met some resistance there or traded sideways at that point. So you can see here in 2017, there was this period of time when you had this consolidation point. And it was later on followed by a move to the upside, a little bit of a pullback as well, and then absolutely ripped from there.
Blowing up.
Now, here we are in 2021 as well. We're looking at a consolidation situation again. What do you think, Eddie?
Everybody is looking at November through December to be a crazy month for Bitcoin.
Right.
And when you hear that kind of rumor, they say buy the rumor, sell the news.
Right.
For those that have been in Bitcoin long enough, know what to expect. For newcomers, if you get into Bitcoin for the first time, hey, don't blow your bank account, but anything is possible in the Bitcoin world.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, looking at historical performances, you know, this is why guys like Hedgeye have models like the quad models, right? You have your quad 1, 2, and 3. There are certain things that will repeat themselves over time, you know. And for me, I think that will repeat itself again. Because
it's the bullish season, so yeah, it's possible.
Absolutely. Also, there is that a bit of divergence there going on with the RSI. The price is holding, but we can see that the RSI is falling. So very interesting stuff there. Very interesting stuff. I will say that. On to the next year. Can Cardano ever compete with Ethereum on the smart contracts front? So the lack of trust while engaging with different parties is one of the biggest challenges that people outside of the smart world face, right? So this is, if you're making a deal with someone, right, you have to go through intermediaries and things like that to I guess validate, right, and confirm.
Yeah, that's why people go to the banks and get hire lawyers.
Exactly.
Or you're buying or selling a house, all that madness.
But with smart contracts, you can do all of these things without the need for a third party, because smart contracts provides that transparency where you can just engage in I guess transactions with people with no need for trust. This is what has made Ethereum so strong over the years. And now Cardano is building, well, they've been building the smart contract platform for a while now, and they have the luxury of getting to be able to test it over this long period of time. before it's released. And we all know Cardano has some very impressive stuff on there as well.
Yep. And they're the first and only so far blockchain to have proof tested their platform for anyone to use. Unlike Ethereum, where you're just learning as you go.
And I think one of the biggest things why I also think that Cardano can stand a chance if Ethereum doesn't sort it out pretty quickly here is the gas fees. Yeah. The gas fees is just to transact or to execute any sort of transactions on the platform.
Everybody's screaming about it right now, especially if you have your coins on MetaMask.
Exactly.
Like, I want to take some profit. Let me sell. Jeez, look at those gas fees.
Dude, I have a bunch of coins on MetaMask where I'm just like, dude, these coins are going to have to like rocket so hard.
10 years from now.
But we'll see what, because I'm just not gonna pay the same amount or more to remove a few coins. But then if you wanted to buy more to make it make sense, the gas fee situation is a win-win it's not a win for anyone. But I'll tell you what, man, we're heading to Burger King, bro. Burger King, dog, is where we're going. Robinhood and Burger King are giving away Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I think that this is just an incredible one. Spending $5 at Burger King guarantees you a Dogecoin until November 21st. It guarantees you
21 days. 21 days.
There are also 20 Bitcoins, 200 Ethereum up for grabs.
Ooh,
right? And so essentially what happens is, if you, from now till whenever this sweepstake ends, if you go to Burger King.
If you use the app.
Yeah, if you use the Robinhood app. Right.
No, if you use the Burger King app to order your Burger King.
Okay, wait, I'm confused now. But that's what I'm saying. Like, well, wait, you have to end up at Burger King. How's your burger gonna get to you, bro? What the fuck? Why are you confusing me?
you can instantly try it to yourself.
Are they gonna teleport this burger to you? What the fuck?
Hey, it's the crypto one. You never know.
Hey, look, if you want a side of Doge, right, with your burger, right, this may be one of the biggest sweepstakes so far from what they're saying. Obviously, they're trying to ratchet up themselves, post pandemic and everything like that. But the fast food giant will give away 1 Dogecoin with your order, or 1 Bitcoin or Ethereum for a few lucky customers, I guess. So if you spend $5, imagine spending $5 on a burger, bro, and then you end up with like whatever Bitcoin may be at that time, maybe 65, 70K. That would be incredible. Very interesting stuff there.
Well, man, just 1 Dogecoin though, for real? Spend $5 to get 1 Dogecoin? Well, all right, I guess I'll take that. Well, that's nothing.
I guess so. I mean, they're just trying to, I guess get.
It's like McDonald's back in the day.
I don't think anyone is aiming for the Dogecoin. I think everyone wants to get the 1 Bitcoin. Everyone wants the 1 Bitcoin. But hey, man, that is some pretty exciting stuff there. That is cool. So we thought we should share with you guys. Now let's jump into some TA. You have some very interesting stuff that we're looking at today. Beginning with THETA, right? It's actually interesting because someone asked me about THETA. This actually, let me see. Someone asked me about it on public. Let me see if I can find it. But if we look at THETA here, right, the 200-day moving average is sitting right there at that 100% Fibonacci retracement line, right? That candle has opened and closed above there as well. And we have the 20 and 50-day moving average coming right towards that 200. These are usually resistance points as well, right?
Yeah, they crossed, so that's good.
Yeah, they also crossed, and they're both approaching the 200-day moving average there. And if both of them cross, well, then there's one direction that thing is moving
bullish.
In. Exactly.
To the skies, to the moon.
To the moon, man. Repage.
Yep.
Absolutely. The TTM on this is also looking pretty good.
Yep.
Right? Things seems to be rising as well. So, yeah, feeling pretty good about that one.
Yeah, resistance level though. I think it's gonna go back to $9 if it crosses the previous resistance. Yeah. So that right there.
All right, we're gonna add a resistance line there.
Yeah.
All right, so that is your upcoming resistance line. If we're able to break through that, then maybe we should be able to see an even bigger move to the upside.
Yes, sir.
Interesting stuff. AMP, take it away, sir.
It's just getting started, man. AMP is just getting started. Looking at the moving averages right now, it hasn't crossed. It's not definite for sure. Right. But looking at the current point in the Fibonacci extension right now, it's just crossed above the 0.382. So that's good news. And that's usually a good point of entry. So yeah, look, there's also some big volume entering into AMP right now. AMP,
yeah.
So the trend is looking very positive. So I think it might be a good early entry. Yeah. And the price is just opened above the 200 moving average, which is also a good thing.
Also, I believe AMP is one of those ones that was it Amazon?
Yeah.
There's rumors that Amazon might use it for payment settlements. Yeah. It's a rumor. It's not all the way there yet, but there's something that is out there. Quantum is the next one we're looking at here. Go for it, sir.
Yeah, Quantum was interesting. If you were just getting in at the beginning of October would have been nice. Right. But I don't think the bullish trend is over yet. There's that huge buy volume that just came in. So somebody knows something that a lot of folks don't know. The TTM just squeezed a tiny little squeeze right there. So there's a possibility of something big happening. It crossed the 1 Fibonacci extension and opened above that, which is still extremely bullish. The price volume is above the 200 moving average. So there's just all those bullish trends going on with it right now.
Absolutely. I'll go ahead and add a resistance point on this one as well.
Yeah, it's currently at the resistance point at the current moment. And the next one, that's the current one.
There it is.
It's right there. And then the next one is
do you think would that because
no? I think up. I think the one. I think the one above. Pretty much at all time. No. I'll say the one below. Yeah, that right there.
There's two. There's this one. Then there's this one.
And that's the main one right there.
Right. So we'll just put both on there.
Yeah.
All right. So there might be some resistance there, and there might be some resistance as well at $27.
Yep. So, let's see what November does.
Hey,
but that's what it's looking like.
We'll see if it rips through. Yeah, but if it does, that's gonna be pretty incredible there.
Hey, look! I just saw something.
What's that?
Look at what happened. Is it July 19th?
July 19th.
Yeah, right there. Yeah. That looks like what's about to happen now. If you look at the candles.
Yes, sir. So you're talking about we have this double candles here where there was a green candle which was matched by a green candle, right? So the red candle essentially got taken out in that situation, and from there we had a rise, which is very much what we are seeing here. Right. We have a red candle and a green candle, and the green candle seems to have taken out the red. Definitely has taken out the red because we're now moving upward, and when that happens, it tends to be a
the Fibonacci sequence does all of this for us automatically, but sometimes you just gotta use your eyes.
Hey man, you gotta use the visuals, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And help with your analysis there.
It also happened somewhere around August 17th, 18th over there as well. There.
I see it. There it is. There it is. Wasn't as much of an aggressive move, but it was definitely a move to the upside.
Yeah,
for sure. So, hey, let's see what happens. This will be an interesting one. Any closing thoughts, sir?
Hey, as always, we love the fact that you guys are watching these videos. If you do like what we're doing, like and subscribe. If you want us to do some more or you have some questions, definitely ask in the comments, and we'll look to continue to provide value.
Incredible. Well, until next time, Brazen out.
Double O out.